Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'll show you how to make this oversized flower brooch. To make my flower brooch I'll be using this thick Scuba fabric and I'll be cutting a fabric strips 4 centimeters wide and approximately 2.5 meters long. And here are all my fabric strips cut out. Next, I'm cutting half circles on the edge of this strip, like that. And this is how it looks. I'll repeat the same process on other fabric strips, and here they are. All strips are prepared, they look like that. Next, I'm using thread and a needle, and I'm gathering the edge on this fabric strip on a straight edge there, and I'm gathering fabric together. I'm evening out all the gathering so it's nice and neat. It's not too gathered, looks like that. I'll repeat the same process on other fabric strips, and here they are, all gathered neatly. Next, I will sew on these gathered fabric strips on top of this fabric circle, which is 11 centimeters diameter, and I'll sew them all around there. I'm using straight stitch sewing machine, and I will sew on these gathered fabric strips there on the edge all around. When I sewed one gathered edge, I add another one and I continue sewing all around. When I have reached nearly other edge, I will sew below that seam all around. So basically I'm sewing below the other seam, and I'm continuing sewing these gathered fabric strips all around. Here's a close-up so you can see better how I sewed these fabric strips all around in a circle there. And my flower is nearly prepared, looks like that. So this is the right side and this is the wrong side. And it looks like that. So I have to fill this center there. I have prepared extra fabric strip which is approximately 20 centimeters long, and I'm gathering straight edge on this fabric piece. And gathering this fabric piece very tightly like that, and I'm wrapping this gathered fabric piece around and I'm securing edges with a stitch. So it looks like that. Next, I'm applying hot glue in the center of the big flower there and gluing that small flower in the center there so it hides the center. And my flower is prepared. Next, I will prepare this felt fabric piece. I will sew on this pin, which looks like that there. And this is how it looks. I will glue on this felt fabric piece on this flower at the back there. I'm applying hot glue at the back of this felt fabric piece there. Also, I'm applying hot glue at the back of this flower there. And I'm gluing this felt fabric piece at the back of the flower, pressing it all together so it sticks well. All edges, and my flower is finished. Now I will try on my new flower brooch. I also made a black flower brooch. And red flower brooch. If you have any questions how I made this oversized flower brooch, please comment down below in the comment box. I will add all materials which I used to make this flower brooch in that description box. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you next time. Love, Anita.